Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix battery overheating on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. When a phone overheats, it can affect the overall performance of the phone. An overheated phone may experience performance degradation, lag, or even sudden shutdown. So, by solving the overheating problem, we can keep the phone's performance stable and optimal. So, the way to solve it: first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, please scroll down here. Then select battery and device care option. Okay, after that, you can click on the three dots here and select the second option. Well, and then in this page, activate Auto Optimize Daily option. So, for the next step, you can turn off skill settings in the developer options. Okay, in the settings menu here, please scroll down. Then select About Phone option. After that, choose Software Information. So, tap on the build number 7 times to activate developer options on your device. Okay, now please go back and scroll a little bit. Then select developer options here. So in this page, please scroll down till you find the 3 scale settings: Window Animation Scale, Transitions Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Then you can turn it off like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix battery overheating in Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.